Hey Sarah from Sarah TV. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fluffy slime. This is a very viral slime that's been going around lately, and so I wanted to try doing it myself. Like, I've done it before and it's really good. So right here I have some glue, and I have this thingy to mix with, just the back of a spoon really. And I have shaving foam and some Tide, or like you could use contact lens solution, you could use Staflo or Tide or borax or whatever, anything that'll make the slime work. So I'm guessing the first thing you have to do is open the shaving foam and put some in. Now I heard you do need a lot because the more the fluffier. So you're gonna have to mix this. It will get messy, but the messier the better. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is we're gonna get some Tide, and one second, I gotta go wipe my hands. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna pour a little bit of Tide into this container, and we're gonna add a little bit at a time and mix it. So something I really love about this is you can make such a little amount of slime. You can make such a big amount of slime with just a little bit of glue and lots of shaving foam. Let's add a little bit more. I really should have used a bigger bowl, but whatever. Now, you guys will know, my hands have gone so dirty. Okay, so, you'll kind of know when it's you'll kind of know when it's ready when the slime starts sticking more to itself than the bowl. So yeah, we're gonna keep mixing, mix. Whoa, this is like so satisfying, and the sound too. Now, as you can see, it's kind of sticking to my hand, but you just gotta be patient. And whoa, this is so good. Now, I kind of want to use my hand for this now. Let me zoom in so you guys can there. Whoa, this is so sad. This is like the fluffiest thing ever. Like, if you were to touch this, you just feel as if you're touching a cloud or something. Now, it will be sticky at first, but when you keep playing with it, it'll get stretchy and stretchy. Now, if it breaks up like this, you kind of need to add either more. If it's very sticky, then you could add lotion, but if it's very not stretchy, you kind of need to add more glue. So we're just gonna knead with this. It won't be perfect the first time you try it, but I've done this before, so I kind of know what to do. Move that out of the way. Let's place that here. kind of, let's move this out of the way. This is like wasting room. So I'll keep playing with this and mixing it, and I will be back when I got it. I'll be back when I've added the cream, I mean not the cream, the food coloring, and okay, see ya. Okay guys, I finished making the slime. It was kind of like a bit of a mess, but it was actually worth it. I cleaned up the table, and this is how the slime turned out. Focus. The slime is so fluffy. When you touch it, it just feels like as if you're touching like a cloud, like a solid cloud, one that doesn't dissolve, or like the slime is just so amazing. You guys have to try this at home. If you've never made slime before, this is one you should actually try, because not only is this really good for stress relieving, it's also fun to play with, and that's it. I'm gonna add some color now, but I don't know what color I should add. I'm actually gonna add some, how about we make it a very light pink. So I'm gonna go get some pink color, and I'll be back. Okay, so I don't have pink food coloring. I mean, I guess I should have used red, but whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my stick with my slime on it, and what I'm gonna do is I am gonna put some pink paint on the stick, and I'll use that to paint my slime. Now, since we succeeded doing this, I'm going to give you guys a slime fact. So, a good fun fact about slime is that about fluffy slime is that using too much, what is it called? Oh my god, what's wrong with me? Okay, using too much shaving cream will make it like less stretchy. So as you can see, I used a lot of shaving cream, and so it doesn't stretch that much, but it's kind of fun to play with. Like, even though slime is meant for like the stretchiness, it's still kind of like fun and crazy to play with. But like I kind of wouldn't recommend using a cooking spoon, because oh boy, this is a mess. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe, like, and comment down below what your favorite slime is. And wait, I'm actually gonna add a little bit more. And see you guys later. Bye!